The VNR Electric encompasses all the great features of the current VNR, like agility, visibility, and safety, which makes driver acceptance easier. So there's no better place to put the electric driveline. This vehicle is available in 3 different configurations: a single-axle straight truck and 2 tractor configurations, a 4x2 and a 6x2. These trucks are designed for the customer applications and driving cycles within local and regional distribution, food and beverage, and pickup and delivery routes. So let's take a closer look, and let me share just a few of the key facts on this new electric truck. The electric motor is rated at 455 horsepower and generates up to 4,051 pound-feet of torque. This allows for quick starts and very good responsiveness. The electric driveline is a fully integrated Volvo proprietary solution, featuring a 2-speed I-shift transmission that delivers excellent startability and smooth acceleration. The VNR Electric has a maximum speed of 65 miles per hour. So you can go fast, but how far can you go? The batteries allow for an operating range of up to 150 miles, depending on configuration, and have a capacity of 264 kilowatts. Another advantage is that we can capture the energy from braking, and depending on duty cycle, up to 15% can be regenerated back into the energy storage system, increasing your range. When you finally need a charge, the energy storage system can be charged to 80% in 70 minutes with a 150 kilowatt charger. Both CCS1 and CCS2 connectors are available. Because we are Volvo trucks, the VNR Electric features our highest safety standards in the construction of the cab and chassis and includes the latest active safety features such as Volvo Active Driver Assist and lane departure warning. This vehicle is covered by our uptime promise, including remote diagnostics and a suite of connectivity services specific to energy management and battery performance for extra peace of mind. But all of that's what's under the hood. There are great benefits to driving the VNR Electric too. Electric improves the driver's experience, reducing noise and giving a more responsive feel. This also improves the overall working environment with zero emissions and quiet operation.